Allah is the most famous, most common name of the creator of this universe, according to the Quran, according to the Arabs. So much so that they say that this is the proper noun for Allah, Ismi Alam for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And it is Ismi Jamid. It has not been derived from any root. I differ, and I agree with those people who say that it has also been derived from Alif Lam Ha, Ilah. When you add Alif Lam to it, Allah. Rahman, Ar-Rahman. Rahim, Ar-Rahim. From the common noun, you turn it into a proper noun by adding Alif Lam. Rahimun, Ar-Rahimo. Kareemun, Al-Kareemo. Qadirun, Al-Qadiro. So that is the difference between the common and the proper noun in Arabic. So it is Al-Ilahu, the God.